सहना भवतु।
ॐ सहना भवतु।
सहनौ भुनक्तु।
सहनौ भुनक्तु।
सह वीर्यं करवावहै।
सह वीर्यं करवावहै।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत्
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये।
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं।
वरदे कामरूपिणी।
वरदे कामरूपिणी।
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि।
विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि।
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा।
येनाक्षरः समाम्नायम्
येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम्
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्।
अधिगम्य महेश्वरात्।
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम्
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
तस्मै पाणिनये नमः।
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां पद्मानीयानाम् औष्ठौ
उपद्मानीयानाम् औषधो
यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
यमगणनानां नासिकाञ्च
वेदैतौ कण्ठतालु
वेदैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तौ कण्ठोष्ठम्
ओदौतो कण्ठोत्थम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
मूलीयस्य जिह्वामूलम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य Okay.
બધા ગુજરાતી છે. So we have seen this 23rd lesson.
Yeah, we started, yes.
I think
Exercise something there.
exercise is left out.
Yeah, exercises.
So Dhavan, so actually it is given, give the feminine of the following.
Ma forgotten everything.
Shall we go from beginning?
Of course, yeah, એ કઈ બહુ પેલું ઓલું હતું નહીં આમ તો.
So actually,
We do the
if
exercise.
Lavaman, then Lavamana, Niyaman, to Niyamana. So Akaranta or Dirgha Ikaranta. For Sadrusha, Sadrushi. So if you don't, then we will go. Okay?
No problem. We will go together.
And we have seen this also relative pronoun, interrogative and relative. Kah, kau, ke, ka, ke, kaha, ya, yo, ye. So next time we will see everything. You want to change this, I think, let we do. Start from Jayashri Ben. This is called interrogative pronoun.
So, masculine, kah, kau, ke, kam, kau, kan, kena, kabhyam, kaihi, kasmai, kabhyam, kebhyah, kasmat, kabhyam, kebhyah, kasya, kayoho, kesham, kasmin, kayoho, keshu.
Same Kim, feminine, Mukeshwar.
का के कहा काम
काहा.
के कहा काम के कहा क्या काव्याम काभिहि
Kaya.
Kaya.
कया oh कया not कया
Ka is full with a.
कया कस्यै काव्याम काव्यः कस्याः काव्याम काव्यः कस्याः कयोः कासां कस्यां कयोः कासु.
And for Kim ke khani, rest is like masculine only. So we will go declension of relative pronoun. Yattat, like this. So first masculine, Deepak Bhai.
यह यो ये यम यो यान येन याभ्याम यैह
Yeihi.
यैहि यस्मै याभ्याम येभ्यः यस्मात् याभ्याम येभ्यः यस्य ययोः येषां यस्मिन् ययोः येषु.
Yeshua, this is here.
Yes.
Shital.
Yad feminine. Ya, ye, ya, yaha.
Yam.
Yam.
Yaha.
Yaha. Yam, ye, yaha. Yaya, yabhyam, yabhihi. Yasyai, yabhyam, yabhyah. Yasyaha, yabhyam, yabhyah. Yasyaha, yayoho, yasam. Yasman, yayoho, yasam.
Yasyam. Yasyam.
Yasyam, yayoho,
Yas.
yas.
And this is yat ye, like vanani. Same way yat ye yani, and rest are like masculine. These are called interrogative. Kim, which and what. And this is which and who.
Both and which.
So if we will see, give the feminine of the following. Namaste Manshi ji.
Namaste, Ma.
How are
I am
you?
in somewhere else. I don't have my book, my notebook. So I was thinking, should I join or not? What
But
is
you
going
have
on
book in
now?
front of you.
Huh?
You have book in front of you in the screen, no?
Okay. No, my notebooks and all. Okay, Ma.
Hmm. Where are you? In MP, Raigad. Okay, starts from Jayashri Ben. Give the feminine of the following. So suppose this is Dhavan Ashvaha. Feminine of Ashvaha is Ashva. And Dhavan becomes Dhavati Ashva.
Yes. Yes. Dhavati Ashwa. Yeah.
Now this is I have now second is yours. Yeah.
Okay. Tarunah Gayakah. Taruni Gayika.
Gaika. Mukesh bhai.
Jayayam balakah. So balakah, balika.
Jayan Balaka.
Jayan Balaka.
Jayam.
Jayana.
So balaka, balika. Jayam will be ahead. No.
Jayasi chet karmanasте mata buddhir janadana.
Jayasi balika.
Jayasi. Now Mukesh bhai. Nahi, अब Deepak bhai, sorry. Vyagraha. So whenever it,
Vyagra.
Hmm?
Vyagro. Vyagro.
No, what is feminine of Vyagraha?
Ikaran. Dirgha ikaran.
Vyagri.
Vyagri. In this,
Ato.
this is Hataha is masculine. To convert into feminine, if this is ending with a, then to make it feminine, we have to put a. So if Hataha, then Hata. Hata Vyagri. They have given actually. So shall we go again? Where is Vyagri?
It was in the second column.
Mayuri, above Mayuri.
They have given first
Yeah.
only.
Yeah.
Page
Yeah,
105.
here.
Vyagri, tigress.
So shall we go again? If you is, we have stars now. After
Tigress. Vyagri.
So Balika, girl, Gaika, singer, again Gaika, a songstress, Gaura, white. If a lady, no, Gauri.
Gauri, yes.
Kishori, Kishore means adolescent. Kishori, Tarun, youthful, Taruni. Sadrush means like Sadrushi. Tadrush means such, Tadrushi. Vyagra is a tiger, Vyagri, tigress. Harinaha is a deer, Harini is a hind. Hamsi, female swan. Mayuraha, peacock, Mayuri, hen. Kokilaha, cuckoo, kokila. They have not named, but kokila. Ajaha, aja. A female goat, aja. Balakaha, crane. Female crane is balaki. So balaka.
Somewhere.
Balaki, I think. Chatakaha means sparrow. Chataki.
Balaka it is. Huh?
Balaka, no?
Balaka.
So balaka. Chatakaha, I think. Chataka or chataki.
Chataka.
Chataka. Chataka.
Chataka. Mrunamayi.
Hmm. Chinmayi.
Charmamayi.
Chinmayi.
Ambas is a neuter. Dehaha, body. We can convert. Jara is already old age. Rogaha, disease. Ahitam, harmful deed. Chatra. Chatra, surprising, strange. Surprising or strange. Pari plus tarj. Pari tarjayati, to threaten, to menace. Pra plus hru. Harati means to take away. But praharati, to strike. Achara, acharati. Kshami means forbearing. I think Kshami, dirgha. If feminine is a Kshami. Daksha, the Dakshi, what is there? I think Daksha.
Daksha. Daksha might be present.
Swastha. Indriyam. Pradyumyaha. Bhavanam is the house. Gunagrahini, I think. Aruj means healthy. Aruja.
Puja.
Kidrushi. Yavat tavat, yavati tavati. Atma Shreyasa is a neuter. Atma Shreyasi. Punyam, no. Sudurlabha. Durlabha, durlabha, durlabham. Prayatnaha, effort. Khananam, digging. Anukulaha, favorable. Kshayaha, loss, decline. Durataha, far away. So durata, I think.
Save.
Apratihata, unimpaired. Apratihata. Some plus dip, some dipyate. To burn. Karyam, karyam is to be done. Karya, karaniya, kartavya. Meaning is the same, to be done. That we have seen, if you remember.
Ma, this yavat and tavat words are always together.
Yavati, yeah, it is again relative, no? Like Kidrushi. Like Kidrush, Yavat Tavat, same Yavati Tavati. We have seen something, no? Here?
Yes.
Yavat, where we have seen?
Earlier lesson.
So Sadrushi. So Sadrush, no? Like Sadrushi, Tadrushi. Same way Yavati, Tavati. So they have not but Jayasi. Chet karmanaste. Hata Vyagri. Now Tadrushi Kokila. Now Pitavan Harinaha. Shita.
Pitavati. Pitavati. Harini.
Harini.
Pitavati. Should I?
Harini.
Pitavati Harini. Ri Rasva. Ni Dirga. Harini.
Harini.
Yes.
Yeah, Harini. Now Kiyam Hamsaha.
Kiyati.
Yes.
Hamsi.
Kiyati.
Thus,
Hamsi.
We had done this.
We have done?
Yes, ma, we had done.
How far we have done?
Gurhini, Nari, Drashta,
Yes.
Mayuri, Drashta, Mayuri. Chaka,
Only few
Balika.
were left.
Drashta Mayuri, that we have done. Charu Balakaha. Then Charvi Balaka. I think Charvi. That's why I told Charvi.
Charvi Balika.
No, it's Balaka.
Balaka. Balaka.
Balaka.
Sorry. Balaka.
Mm.
So now here, change the voice in the following. So Jalam Mayuri Bihi Pitam. So here only change the voice. No, we have to change from masculine to feminine. No. So would you like to try, Manashiji?
Yes, I'll try.
All the best. This is your.
Jalam mayuribhihi pitam.
Hmm.
So mayuribhihi.
Hmm.
That means
This is 3 by 3.
yes,
3 by
3 by 3.
Jalam.
So
Right now it's 1 by 1, no?
So Mayuri is feminine. So Mayurihi.
So like Nadi,
Nadi, Nadi, Nadi,
Nadi, Nadyo,
Nadyaha.
Nadyaha.
Nadyaha, Mayuryaha,
No,
Jalam.
Nadyaha, Nadyaha.
Mayuryaha,
Mayuryaha. Nadi, actually Nadi, Nadyo,
Nadyaha,
no, Nadyaha.
Yeah.
Nadyaha.
Yeah.
Where do you write?
So Mayu,
Okay, Mayuryaha.
Mayur.
Mayuryaha.
you dirgha. Mayuryaha, Jalam. Oh,
It's
now
Panepadiya.
Pitam. Mayuryaha is 1 by 3. Pitam also. So Pitam, it becomes Pitavati.
Pitavati.
Pitavati, and then we have to make it is a 1 by 3.
Pitavatyo.
Say Mayuryaha, Pitavatyah. Understand?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha. That you have to remember.
Pitavatyaha.
Now I am go back from now Sheetal. Sheetal, I think she did that. Second sentence.
Swasa Bratrun Drastavati.
Swasa Bratrun Drashtavati.
Bratrun Dras- No, ma.
Now this is
This is in active voice.
active voice. So you have to convert in passive.
Passive, yes.
Yeah. So Swasa, what is the third 3 by 1 of Swasa? Swasa, Swasaro, Swasarah, Swasaram, Swasaro, Susrun, Swasra.
Swasra.
After a long time, no?
So,
Swasra, then Bratrun remain as it is, no? The Bratrun will go 1 by 3.
Ramaha.
No,
Prataraha.
no, Bratru will like, we have to decline like Bratru, Rukaranta, Netruvat.
Netruha. So Netar. Brat.
Brata, Brataro, Bratara, Brataraha.
Brataraha.
Brataraha. Now Drashtavati, now become this joint with this masculine, no, now?
Now masculine will
So
become
masculine 1 by 3. So this
Drastava. Drastavati.
so Drashta Vantaha.
Participle.
So Brataraha Drashtavantaha. The brothers saw whom by brothers are seen by Swasra, by sister.
Ma, can we use Drashtaha? Yes, drashtaha.
Vati, no? That's why today I have kept you and she has prepared, I think.
Okay.
Vati. So this is a active, no?
Hmm.
And this is a drashtaha. This jitaha is a passive. So active,
Should be.
like a dimant, no? Dimant.
Yes.
Like drashta. Otherwise, it become a passive. This is active still.
Hmm. So we have to make it, if the sentence is active, we have to make it passive.
That's why this has gone in third. Swasra.
Yes.
Sastra. So brothers are seen by sister.
Hmm.
So this is if drishto, then what will you do? Drishtaha.
Hmm.
Taraha drishtaha. We can do, I think. Drishtaha. It becomes their sin now, but we have to put our sin. That's why drishtavan.
Yes, sir. Okay. We should change the voice, but not the tense.
Yeah, that's why.
So that's why it's drashtavanta is perfect.
Now Mukesh Bhai. Brata Swasaro.
Saro Rakshitwan.
Mukesh, no, sorry, Mukesh Bhai, this Deepak Bhai.
भ्रात्रा
Brata.
भ्राता स्वसारो रक्षितवान्
This is also
Brat-
active, no? Van, you have to see.
Active, it is active.
This is Labhavan, same way, Van.
भ्रात्रा
Third of Brata. Bratra. No?
Yes.
रक्षितवान् रक्षिते ते इति अन्ते
No. Brata becomes Bratra. So this is, we have to, this is 1 by 1. This is 2 by 2. So now this will go in first 1 by 2, no? One, no?
Then
ते
also
इति अन्ते
One by
रक्षिते
two.
Yeah, Swasa,
Total
Swasaro,
remains
so remains Swasaro only.
same.
Now this is actually Rakshita. This become Rakshita. There is a no one. Rakshitavati. What is given? Rakshitavati or Rakshita? I think Vati, no?
It is not given, but we can use both, no?
Yeah. Still, let me check.
If we can make ikarant, then Rakshitavati or else Rakshita.
Both, I think, Rakshit.
Once we had used Rakshita in
Rakshita.
our earlier lessons, yes.
So Rakshita, then Swasaro is a 2. And Rakshita becomes also 1 by 2.
Oh, Rakshitau.
No. Sita.
रक्षित
So this is
Rakshite.
Rakshite.
रक्षिते इते ते इति अन्ते
No.
Lata late.
Sita, Sita, Sita. Sita, 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 Sitam, Sita. So this is, we have done like Sita Shabdavat. This Rakshite is 1 by 2. Swasara also 1 by 2. And
Yes.
Bratra is 3 by 1. Like this.
Ma, if we use Rakshitavati, then Rakshitavati.
Then
is-
Drakshitavati, then Nadi Nadyo.
Rakshitavatyo.
Nadyo.
Rakshitavatyo.
Mhm.
Rakshit.
It is peculiarity of Sanskrit. There is no to be.
Yeah, no, yeah, this is we are doing with, we are playing with a present participle, no? And this present participle, particularly in feminine. So that's why this is changed.
Rakshit. Vatyo.
Now
Nagra.
Suresh Bhai's turn.
Harini Ragya Hata.
Hmm.
So like Harini Ragya Hata.
So Harini Hata. So Harini, what
We
is
have to, why is a passive? So we have to make it
Hind is the king.
Raja
By whom? By the king.
King.
So typical passive voice. So we have to convert.
Harini me. Then
Harini
first.
will go in third.
So Harini Ragya Hatavati. Yeah?
Harini will go in.
One by one.
This is one by
One by
one. This is 3 by 1. And this is Harini, that's why Hata.
Hmm.
Now we change Harini will go in 3 by 1.
3
So
by
it is
1.
3 by 1 of Harini like Nadi Shabdavat. Nadi Nadyo Nadihi Nadyam Nadi
So
Nadya
Harinya.
Nadya.
No, Harini will not go in 3 by 1.
Okay.
What?
It will go into, it is a karma, no? Ragna is the karta. So it is in 3 by 1.
Ragna killed. So 2 by 1 Hari. No?
Harini Hata, no? Harini Hata, what naka? Harini Hata means? What is the meaning of Harini Hata?
The
Deer
king killed the deer.
The deer was killed by
Deer is killed.
Yeah.
deer.
The
Hata
deer.
also
So
was
this will
killed
go,
by
Harini will go in 2 by 1, yeah.
Yes, it will become karma.
Is
Ragna
become-
will be in.
one by
Yeah,
one.
it will come, yeah. This will come
Raja
is
ne?
2 by 1.
Becomes a
So Ragna
Raja.
become Raja. Raja.
Harini.
Harini will become Harinim.
Harinim, yeah.
Harinim Raja.
Raja, Harinim.
પછી Hata is
Hatvan
Hatavan.
or Hatavati.
No, Raja, no. Raja is masculine.
Yeah, Hatvan is related to Raja. So, masculine, Hatvan.
Raja, Harinim, Hatavan. Yeah.
Ma, I had done all this, but I think I had not posted.
Oh, you should.
it's available. Eh?
Now your
Try your turn. Let's see. Taruniyo.
Taruniyo, Gaika, Ganam, Geetavatyah. So, this is active voice.
So here the Gaika. This Tarunyaha are the adjective of singers.
Singer, yes.
Which type of singer?
Feminine.
I did Taruni Pihi,
Hmm?
Gaika Pihi, Ganam, Geetam.
Yeah. So Taruni Bihi.
Gaika Pihi. Ganam will remain as it is. Yes.
Taruni Bihi.
Gaika Pihi. Yes.
Bihi. Now
Ganam,
Ganam remain as it's Ganam.
yes, as it is.
Geetam.
Geetam, yes.
So Geetam is this is Ganam is neuter 1 by 1. This is also Geetam is a neuter. If a Taruni is something is there, then Gita will come.
Yes.
If masculine is there, then Gita Gitavan. Then it will come Gitavan.
This became now passive, no?
Now this
Yeah.
becomes
Passive, yes.
Not 3B. The Tino.
But
3 by
this
1.
Gaika, the passive first line, Tarunyo,
Three by-
that one is 3 by 3. Gaika is also 3 by 3, right?
yeah, Gaika Bihi. Yeah, 3 by 3. Ganam, Geetam.
Ganam is now 1 by 1.
Karma.
Neutral
One
one
by
by one.
one.
One by one now.
Neutral.
Geetam.
Now Vyagraya Ruditam. So this is Vyagraya is 3 by 1.
3 by 1, yes.
So this is what we called is Bhave Prayoga. Ruditam doesn't need any karma. So become Vyagri.
Vyagri Ruditavati.
Vyagri. Ruditavati. Matra Uktam. This is also said by mother. So Mata Ukta.
Uktavati.
Uktavati.
Both are almost similar.
Hmm. Now all are now it is a
Mata, Mata means Mata only.
Mata. Yeah, Matra is a 3 by 1. No?
Acha, Matro. First one is Matro.
This is a Matra Uktam.
Yes, correct. correct.
This is nominative singular, Mata.
Now it is Matra is a 3 by 1. It comes 1 by 1 now. So when we start from Shita, Shubhashitam, so this is Paritarjayanti and Praharanti. They have given both, no?
Meaning is given, yes.
Paritarjayanti means to threaten or to menace, and Praharati to strike. With this, translate the following into English.
Vyagri. Vyagri Eva Tishtati. Stand like a tigress. That way.
The Jara Vyagri Eva Tishtati. Jara.
Old age.
Yeah. Stands.
Okay. Jara stands. Old age stands like a tigress
Like tigress.
to threaten. Threatening.
Threatening.
Rogascha Satravaha.
Praharanti Deva. What is the meaning of Praharanti? Again, I forgot.
Praharanti, to strike.
Right.
Yeah.
Roga, disease. Disease. Rogascha means diseases.
So Rogaha Shatravaha Iva. So this is like a enemies.
So,
Yes.
Diseases strike like enemies.
Mm.
Diseases strike the body like
Body.
enemies strike. Yeah.
Actually, you know, rogaha deham praharanti. So
Eva
disease
Satrava, like
strikes
Pravaiva.
body, but this disease are like our enemy. That's why.
enemies, yes.
So, ma'am,
Ayuhu,
Paritarjanti
Same
is the
Jara and Vyagri comparison. Old age is like a tiger,
tigress,
and
disease,
it stands like a tigress, and this old age paritarjayanti, threatening.
So it is participle, no? For Jara.
Yeah. Participles. Yeah. Parijayanti. Paritarjayanti.
Jayanti.
So what you Sheetal, something you are asking?
no. Ayuhu
Hmm?
Isravati.
Parisravati.
The second part I did not get. First part is Vyagriva Tishtati Jara, old age stays like tigress. Then this Paritarjayanti, it will go with the next
No.
part or the first
No,
part?
it will go with
First
Jara.
part.
Yeah, first part. Second part is like this.
So, iti.
So rogaha deham praharanti. This disease strike the body. And this disease is like enemy. Enemy always strike, no? Same way this disease like enemy. Enemy, they strike our body.
Then this Pariharjanti will be the then with
Here,
the
here,
first
here with,
sentence, na?
yeah.
Then tell me the first sentence again, please, ma'am.
So first sentence is Jara Vyagri iva tishtati. First,
Yes.
the old age stands like a tigress.
Yes.
This old age Paritarjayanti again threatens.
And menacing.
Menacing, threatening.
Threatens like a standing.
Threatening actually is a threatening, no?
Threatening, yeah.
Because it is a active present participle. So parijayanti, paritarjayanti, jara, vyagri iva tishtati. This threatening,
Threatening old age.
this old age stands like a tiger.
Okay, tigress. Yeah.
Okay? Now again.
Ayuhu Parisravati.
Hmm?
Na gata
Pinna gata devamba.
gatadi avambo.
Eva amba.
Avambo, yeah.
Pinna
Age flows like water.
amba.
Vinna
Pinna gatadi. You know, bin means broken. So in broken pot, like a water comes out. Same way our age. Every day we are celebrating even our birthday, no? But it is it is coming out.
That is the value of you.
So binna katateva ambaha parisravati. Same way ayuhu api parisravati. Now understand? Parisravati means
Yes, yes.
close, goes.
flows. Ivambo. And lokah tatha api hita hitam acharati iti chitram.
Api ahitam.
Ahitam, yes.
Ahitam acharati.
Ahitam acharati iti
Acharati iti chitram. Acharati ahitam acharati. It is chitram is like we say, oh look how it is. It's like a
Vichitram.
chitra, like it is still people are not afraid.
of doing bad deeds.
Wrong deed, yeah.
Harmful deed. Ahitam. Harmful deeds.
Lokaha. Even though, even our age is flowing, means our her years
Time is
cutting from our life, But still people ahitam acharati. Still people conduct a wrong deed.
Wrong deeds, harmful deeds.
Iti chitram, what is something, it is
Strange, yeah.
Very
very
strange. Yeah.
strange. They have given chitram.
They have
Yeah,
given
Chitram
here
is here.
Chatra. Here it
Chitram.
is Chitra.
Where it is
Chatra
given?
there. There only.
Yes, yeah.
Ahitam ne niche.
Third,
Chatra.
fourth one. Fourth column, fourth
Ahitam,
one.
What the column?
Uparasma.
Yes,
Ahitam.
fourth one.
Chitra.
1, 2,
Down below, Ahitam.
this is chatra means, that's why it should be chitram.
It should be Chitram, yes.
Yeah, that's why I was, what is meaning of chatra?
Chatra.
Yeah, it is chitra.
That is better. Chitra.
So this is, still it is a surprising. People are not afraid.
Tristati. Kata.
Good, very good. Subhashitam.
Hmm.
Samidata.
Ahitam. Acharati.
Who will do now? Deepak Bhai would like to try.
Samidata.
Easy actually if you do. On different name only. This is main sentence you have to find.
Samidata.
Shami data gunagrahi swami punyena labhyate.
Yes. All three words are the adjectives of Swami.
So main sentence is
Swami Punyena Labhyate.
Swami punyena labhyate. Means master is obtained by our punya, merit, good merit. And which type of master? Shami,
Four behind.
giver, data, giver. Gunagrahi. What is the meaning of gunagrahi? They have given, no?
Appreciative.
Appreciating.
Yes.
Appreciate.
Gunagrahi. Actually, guna means merit. Grahi means one who always. They have given like appreciating, no? I think.
Appreciate.
Yeah, appreciative.
So here, appreciate Swami. So who can appreciate us? That's why. And now, second line, Deepak Bhai. This is also easy. We cannot able to hear you. Something is there. Deepak Bhai.
Scholar is rare.
Yeah, Vidvan Sudurlabha. Vidwan scholar is very rare. Which type of Vidwan? Kavi, Daksha, Shuchi, Anukulaha. You have to translate only.
Skilled.
Skilled. Anukulaha means always favorable.
Favorable.
Favorable. Shuchi, he is skilled. No, Shuchi means pure.
Pure. Pure.
Daksha, what you say, skilled.
Skilled.
Competent.
And Kavi means competent. Okay. And Kavi means foresight. What they have given?
Poet.
Learned. Learned poet. So Kavi he Sudurlabha or Vidwan Sudurlabha. I think Vidwan only. Scholar is very rare, which is poet, who is skilled, who is competent, who is everything. Yeah. So this is all are Kavi, all are the adjective of Vidwan.
So whole thing will become what?
Huh?
What is the most out of this?
So this is no, some are servant. For servant, some master. So for Hanumanji we can say he is a very punyashali because his master is Lord Rama. Punya labhyate. Such master can be gained with our punyas. And which type? So these all are, fit for Rama. Is a Kshami, is Udara. Is always receiver of good merit, good values. called Gunagrahi. Appreciate, I don't think appreciate.
Yes.
Such
So Swami here we have to take as a
master.
master. No?
Master.
अनुकूलः शुचि दक्षः कवि विद्वान् सुदुर्लभः. Now Mukesh bhai. यावत् स्वस्थमिदं शरीरम् अरुजं यावत् जरा दूरतः.
यावत् सत्ता
यावत्.
स्वस्थितं शरीरं.
Here I think Indriya yavat. Here E should be there.
Yavat shariram arujam sasthamidam.
Yavat idam shariram swastham arujam. Both. Until, no, yavat means
Yes.
क्या सुधी? Until, yeah.
as long as, yeah, until.
Until.
Idam shariram, this body. Swastham means what is
Healthy.
it? Healthy.
Healthy, yeah.
Then arujam is healthy also. Then swastha is a
Healthy.
sound.
Healthy, yes.
Sound healthy.
Sound
Swastha,
and
yeah, sound and healthy.
As long as this body is
sound
and healthy,
Healthy.
yavat jara.
Jara.
So,
Till
jara
the old age is
is
far.
far.
So then old age, yeah. Old age is far, remain far away. Yavat cha indriya shakti apratihata. Yeah, yeah.
यावत् श्रेयो न युषः न आयुषः यावत् श्रेयो
Yavacha. Here yavacha, but here we have to put one indriya.
Indriya.
Shakti apratihata.
इंद्रिय शक्ति प्रतिहता
Apratihata.
अप्रतिहता.
This is a rule. Before visarga, it is any vowel except a and a. This visarga becomes refa. That's why ashaktihi, then this is indriya shaktihi, and then apratihata.
It is unimpaired. Apratihata is given meaning.
Indriya shaktihi, then apratihata, then this converted into refa, and this refa joined with akara, that's why rapratihata. As long as the power of our senses are impaired, not impaired,
Unimpaired.
unimpaired, then yavat श्रेयो
Shayah na ayush.
that mad kshayah ayushah na kshayah, then our life won't decline.
Not.
It won't be decline. No?
Yeah.
Ayushah na kshayah.
श्रेयो न यावत् श्रेयो
We will not lose our life like this.
आयुष
Kshay is given loss. The meaning is loss.
There is no loss of life. So actually you should know how to do anvaya. Then you, otherwise it will,
lead to something else. यावत् इंद्रिय शक्ति
So this is, first is clear, no? Here
yes.
second is yavacha is there actually.
आयुषः क्षयः
इंद्रिय शक्ति
Shakti hi
अप्रतिहता
apratihata
यावत् श्रेयो न आयुषः
apratihata Yavat. Actually, here Yavat should there or Tavat should be?
Ayushah na kshayaha. Yes. Yavat. Ayushah na kshayaha.
Like this, Ayushaha.
Indriya,
You should not say Kshayaha na Ayushaha, but Ayushaha na Kshayaha.
Na-
Then it is the meaning can be clear.
Yes.
Ayusah na ksayah.
So there is a no decay or decline.
Loss
no
or
loss of
decay of
the senses.
Mm.
Brahman.
no loss of life. Ayush is life, no? Jivanam, like.
Ah, Ayusha means life over. No Kshayaha, na Kshayaha.
Feel our senses.
Running by.
I think it is a Tavat until there.
Mm.
Ayushaha na Kshayaha. Here also not Yavad, I think Tavat. If our body is sound and healthy, then Jara, that much our old age remain far away. Why all the time Yavat, Yavat? This is always relative, Yavat, Tavat should be.
Now in third line they have used tavat.
Where?
Why this 4 times yavat and then tavat? That way it is coming.
Atmosphere.
Atmasreyasi tavat eva.
Krishna Kavalya Prayatnam. Maha.
So Atma Shreyasi Tavadeva Vidusha Karya Prayatnaha Mahan Samdipte Bhavanetu Upakanadam Pratyudyamaha. This is our Gujarati, you know,
Yes.
our Gujarati idiom.
आग लगे त्यार
अरे कुओं खोद Still, I don't think this Tavadeva doesn't go even suit with this.
Tavat.
Atma Shri. So if Ayusha ever we are our health is sound and healthy, our health, Tavadeva, then only Vidusha. So by scholar people, Mahan Prayatnaha Karyaha. The great effort to be done by a scholar, then only Tavadeva, then only for what? Atma Shreyasi.
atmosphere.
So for self-realization.
Yes. Supreme good.
Bhavanetu. This is called Sati Saptami. Now it will come. When the residence on fire, then what is the use of digging the well? We should keep ready the water. Same way we have to keep this our body healthy. Then only we can have Atma Shri.
Keep away the.
Our Prayatna Mahan to realize the Atman.
To keep healthy. Keep, yes.
The meaning is our body should be healthy. Here this Yavat means our body. If our body is healthy, then Vidusha Karya. So Vidusha, this is the 3 by 1. Mahan Prayatnaha Karya, they have taken as a verb. So by scholar, a great effort to be done by a scholar.
How to realize the self.
Tavadeva means then only, no?
Pratyudyama.
Pratyudamaha. They have given, no?
Yeah, the word is
Yes, remedy. Yes.
remedy.
Some it is given.
Hmm.
Where it was given? Remedy.
This was Bhavanam.
So what kind of remedy is the digging of a well when the house on fire is burning? Or we can say, when fire is burning, when the house is burning, then what is the need of digging the well? We should keep ready. Kidrushaha Yeah, means which
So it
type
is like to realizing this road, a great effort to be done when our health is sound and Indriya is
this
not
our
depleted.
senses is also not impaired, you know.
Yeah.
So our health means our body should be sound and healthy. Then only jara will remain far away from us. Our indriya shakti means our the power of the senses should be apratihata, should not be impaired. As long as kshayah, ayushah, na kshayah, then our life won't be decayed. The meaning is of if our body is healthy, our senses are healthy, then only mahan prayatnaha karya. Then only we can put a good effort by a scholar person for what? Atma Shreyasi. This is 7 by 1. For the self-realization. And why? And at the old age, now there is a no, we are good for nothing, then let me do self-realization. It doesn't work. So from we can have a self-realization with healthy body only, not with old body. This is the meaning. So now only 25. How many lessons are remaining?
26.
Up to 26.
26. So 3.
Only 3 are remaining. This is very interesting, locative and genitive. Absolute. This locative absolute, no? This is Sandipte Bhavane Sati. This is called Sati Saptami. And genitive also, Himalaya, Sthavaranam Himalaya. It is called, what is called? Nirdharana. And this Tha and Lep, that we will see next week. Any questions? This is no in Bhagavad Gita it comes. I forgot. When all are ready to throw the arrows, at that time Arjuna told to Bhagavan Krishna, Ratham Sthapayat. What was the previous verse? All are ready to throw their weapons. This is beautiful.
First chapter.
It is called Sati Saptami.
એટલું જ છે હા એટલું જ છે correct. એવું આશ્રમનું
Pravrutte Shastra Sampade. When all are ready to throw the weapons, this is also Dhanurudyamya. This lyap and twa, no, they have said everything will come here. But we will see next time, next week. Okay? Om Purnamada. Oh, you cannot able to see. I have not shared the screen. Okay, sorry. Om Purnamada Purnamida
पूर्णस्य हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः
Hari Om.
ओम